All right, so the first thing we need to do, of course, is our prompt system.out.println. Please enter a letter grade. Just a second. All right, cool. Please enter a letter grade. And we need our scanner, input equals new scanner to read in from the console. Right. And again, hold on just a second. We can either click on the light bulb over here to import the scanner, or we can do Control-Shift-I, hit OK, and that'll import it as well. All right. So now we do string grade equals input.next. All right. So now we can just do dot equals, right? So if grade dot equals A, and it wants us to say the numeric value for grade A is 3. Again, there are many different ways you can do this. This is kind of just my interpretation, but if yours works, it works. The numeric value of A is 4. And then we kind of just repeat this for all the other grades. Else, if B, that'll be B, that'll be C, D, and F. So else if grade dot equals B, the numeric value for B is 3. If grade equals C, the numeric value for C is 2. So on and so forth. All right, we're just checking to see whatever the user enters in for grade, we want to spit out a numeric value for that grade, 4 through 0. 0. And then if they enter in something we don't like, we want an else statement, right? To catch everything else that grade doesn't equal, we want to say system.out.println invalid grade. All right. That way, if they do enter in something that's not an A, B, C, D, or F, we're just going to say invalid grade. Okay. So if I run this, please enter a letter grade. If I put in a C, I put a C and a /, so it's actually invalid grade. Let's try this again. If I put in a C, the numeric value for C is 2. You see that down here. If I put in an F, let's change this. And this is why it's always important to test your code to make sure it works in all cases. Because that's what I do when I grade your programs. I check it for a bunch of different cases. Does it still work if I enter in 1,000? If I enter in 10,000, 1,000,000, does your program still work? And if I enter in something crazy like T, I'm going to get invalid grade. Okay? Again, your program can look different than mine. This is just how I chose to solve it. And it works for this specific program. However, in the future, it may not always be the case. And for your program, it may have better logic than what I have here, and that's okay as well. Any questions?